Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. I am back with my Globeland crafty haul here, and these are my picks. The first one is a silicone clear stamps, and you can see we have a great number of stamps here. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 it looks like. So many different variations and style in one stamp set. And you can use this for your mixed media. I love using them on my paper collages in my pages, and also just creating interest on a blank page. If you'd like to add borders, and then some pieces like this one would look great on top of your journal entry. So look at how fun these stamps are. So I'm super excited to try that out. They also offer a metal die set. So if you like that, this particular one came in a set of 3, and I love it because they are the really popular ones, the specimen die sets. These are wonderful to create put images underneath it, and you can create like a nature journal and create these little pockets. So this is the label. The second die that came in this set has the word specimen, the word die, and then we have another one here with a tab, which is cool, little label. So you have 2 different labels, and then you have a little window here. Once you cut this out, I'll definitely be showing a little craft with me session with you guys and how to use these dies. And then look at this, it also came with a set of these 2 film reel style die sets, which I thought would be fun for scrapbooking or junk journaling. So I love that they came in 2 different sizes. We have this set of 5 here for the strip, and then you have this other one which has 2. Now I also got some stamps that I thought would work well, creating some vintage specimen style cards or photo reels. So this is a clear stamp. I thought that would go well, hopefully, in these stamps. We got our bees for the specimens, and butterflies and dragonflies and even flowers, and some Victorian or Edwardian stamp styles here. You got 3 of them, and there are also some beautiful frames. So I think this is such a wonderful stamp set. Super excited. Again, really affordable. If you are interested in any of these, I'll definitely link them down in the description box. And Globeland has been kind enough to share a discount code for you guys that you can use. So I'll link it down below in my description box. I have another stamp, so let me show you what this one is. It has an under the sea kind of mermaid theme. Do you see these beautiful frames and the shells? I love it. They are gorgeous. So excited to use that for our summer themed journaling. So we have this, I'll put that right here so you can see it. And then I also wanted to try out some of their velveteen bundled ribbon. Look at how much you get in there. It looks like I might have 30 in here, but let me open it up and let's have a look and see what this actually looks like. So here it is, guys, just a great variety of colors. Let me just flip it over and show you what's on the back. So you can see that there's some dark colors there. And I got my favorite color, teal. And you can see there's a little twist tie here holding. Let's see how much product we got here. It is quite a lot. So I think this will be fun to use for projects. In my case, I'm going to be using them in my junk journals. You can also use them in card making. And so this is what it looks like. That's the flip side. I love that you can put an adhesive and lay it flat. Like if you're altering a box or putting a decorative ribbon, this would be perfect. It's nice and light, but really good soft feel to it. So enough that you can see that velveteen kind of look to that. So I love it. Super excited to craft with this. Stay tuned for a little craft with me, possibly using our specimen die and our beautiful stamps here. In the future also, I'll do some mixed media, and maybe we'll alter something and decorate it with this beautiful velveteen ribbons. We'll have to see. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. Again, check out the website and all the links down below. I also have a playlist for some of the past items that I have purchased and also partnered with them in the past that maybe you'd like to take a look at and see how you can use certain products that they have on their website. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.